In the e-commerce menu, on the left-hand side of the page, click on Orders to view your online orders. In this window, you will be able to view all the orders placed on your store by the customer. Click the drop-down menu to filter orders according to the time they were placed. Click on the Add Filter button to create filters for your orders. This is a helpful tool which can be used to separate and organize customer orders according to names, emails, products, and customers who have or have not made payment, with many other filter options to choose from.